guys, so for this project, you're going to need twine and wooden beads. Pretty simple, got them both off of Amazon. There's a bunch of different sizes. I used 16 and 12 for the beads. I also have some extra chalk paint because one of the garlands I'm going to color white. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is make the tassel that goes on the end. So you just wrap the twine around your fingers. Again, it's up to you how big you want the tassel. Make sure you're counting how many times you're wrapping the string around your fingers so both tassels on either side of the garland will come out the same size. Once you are done with the desired size, you're going to take some of that extra twine and wrap it around the top before you cut anything. So make sure you wrap it around the top, and then you're gonna tie it. I went through the loop and just tied it a couple times to make sure it's secure. It's pretty easy, just however you want to tie it, it will work for it. Then you cut the bottom to get the tassel effect, and you have your first tassel. Okay, so once you have your tassel, you're gonna run some twine through the hoop of the tassel. This is now gonna be your string for the beads to make the garland. Once you're done with that, just cut the twine to the desired length that you're going to want the beads. Always leave a little bit more room just in case. And you're gonna start beading. For this one, I decided to do 2 of the larger beads and then 1 of the small beads to make it a pattern. There's a bunch of different patterns out there. It's just however you want to do it. You can do all small, all large. It doesn't matter. Okay, so once you're done with your desired length, you're going to make a second tassel, same exact way like the beginning of the video, and then you're going to attach it to the end of your garland. It's basically the same way that you did the first tassel. You're just going to tie it on. You just have beads now that you're dealing with. I also recommend to leave a little bit of space. You see how I did a loop on it with leaving a little bit of space between the beads and the tassel. That will give that effect that you want if you want to go ahead and tie it onto something. For this one, I kind of did a little bit too much space though, so don't use that much space. There you go. It's all done. So now I'm going to start painting it. This is just chalk paint by Bear called Farmhouse White. Just paint them up. You don't have to. You can paint them any color. You can stain them. If you stain them, I recommend staining the beads though prior to doing the strand of garland, because staining it is much more messy. So after it's dried, I just take a piece of sandpaper and scuff it up to give that rustic look. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know there's a lot of these videos out there, but maybe for somebody who hasn't seen one yet, this was something new to you. Thanks for watching.